everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is mustard balsamic pork chops that you bake in the oven. They are delicious, and I think you'll really like them. My mom put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, and if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, as Yoda said, it's time for the Monday meal, and we are making mustard balsamic pork chops. Nummy, nummy. Now, I'm going to show you what is in the marinade. You're going to marinate it for at least 1 hour, but up to 8 or overnight. So I'm going to put them in the marinade in the fridge, covered in plastic wrap, and we'll just see how long we leave them there. Really depends on when I decide to cook them. But you do at least 5 pork chops. They can be bone-in or boneless, it's up to you. You whisk together these ingredients for the marinade, so let me show you what's in that. It's 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then you've got 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Then we've got 2 tablespoons of mustard. I'm using spicy brown. Then we have a teaspoon of dried rosemary, or if you have fresh, you can use what it says in the recipe. And then I have the blend because it says salt and pepper to taste. And you know, I love salt, pepper, and garlic. So that's what I put in there. Then we have whisked it together. And now we're going to take our pork chops and we're going to put them into our pan here. And you want to do a 9 by 13 baking dish because that's what you'll cook it in. So we put it in the pan, and then I'm going to pour the marinade over and massage it in on all sides. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we've got our plastic wrap on there. We have marinated both sides. So I poured like half the marinade on one side of the pork chops, rubbed it in, turned the pork chops over, and then put the other half of the marinade on and rubbed it in. So that's what's going on here. And then you cover with plastic wrap and put in your refrigerator for at least 1 hour, but it can be up to 8 or overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge, and I'll show you what to do to cook them. All right, so 425, you take the plastic wrap off after you've marinated them. And then we're going to, and mine marinated for 2 hours, by the way, but you can do anywhere up to 8 or overnight, it's up to you. So we're gonna take them in their little pan that you already put them in, your 9 by 13 baking dish, into a 425-degree oven, uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches the temperature of 145. So we're gonna use our meat thermometer to check them, but 20 to 30 minutes at 425 until they reach an internal temperature of 145. All right, they are done. As you can see, they are way over 145. It's been 25 minutes. So I kind of split the difference between 20 and 30. But they are done. As you can see, it only needs to be 145 for pork. So we are good to go. These look delicious. And hope you guys give them a try. Mustard balsamic pork chops. Bye, happy Monday.